go over how to program a screen. First, you want to open up your Nova LCT software. Alright, now that your software is loaded, so you want to select User, and then you select Advanced Synchronos System User Login. The password for that is admin. So after that, you want to hit Screen Configuration, and from here, you want to select Next. Alright, in here, you want to set your sending card. From that, all you're pulling is the card off of the processor. You want to make sure that your resolution is set to at least the size of your screen, but standard would be 1920 by 1080. If it's any size larger than that, you would just change it in the drop-down menu. So you just want to hit Add to add your processor, and then select Save, and hit OK. And then from there we can go to our Receiving Card tab, select Read from Receiving Card, and then hit OK to pull the information off of your receiving card. From there you can hit Send to Receiving Card, and that will send that information to each of the sending cards in the back of each of the panels. This will allow each of the panels to have the same refresh rate, grayscale level, and color range. After that, select Save, and hit OK. And then go to your screen connection, select Configure. So then you want to set the size of your screen based off of how many panels tall by how many panels wide. So for mine, I have 7 panels wide by 2 panels tall. And then you want to make sure that you have your receiving card size set to the size of your panels. The ones I'm using are 128 by 256. After that, you want to select your first panel. And then you can either select or you can key over to mark each of your panels for your data path. Once you get to the last one, you just want to key over another time to add that value to it. Hit Send to Hardware and then select OK. From here you'll see a screen that is correct, but it's only a partial screen at this point. So you want to select Save and then hit OK. And then on the Novastar processor, in the control menu, you just want to hit the scale button, and that will scale your screen to size. And that is how you program a screen via the computer. Alright, so now we're going to show you how to program from the processor. We're using a Novastar VX4S processor. So first thing you want to do is select your menu button and go down to Screen Settings. So you want to set your screen cabinet rows and cabinet quantities based off of how many panels wide and how many panels tall your screen is. In our case, we have a 2 by 7. And then after that, you want to select how many cabinets, which is panels, how many panels you have on your first data line. In our case, we have 14. And then after that, you want to select your data flow. That shows where your first panel starts and where your panel flows from there. So we're starting at the bottom and going over and up. And then from there you can back out, select Scale in the control menu, and there you go. And that is how you program from the processor.